Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So good to have you on my channel after a very long time. My name is Oke. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a ring light that I got recently. I got it yesterday from Lagos Island. I'm currently using my soft boxes that I got from Junior. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends. Before I forget, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, welcome to 2021. It's gonna be a good year for every one of us in Jesus' name. Amen. Let's get right into the video. This is the box. So I'm going to start by setting up the stand. Oh, you guys know how it's supposed to be. This handle is okay like this. Should be okay like this. Now it's empty. This is the bag. Cover back. Now let's see what's inside the bag. So this is the Ringlight, 18 inches Ringlights. This is the label. This is the AC adapter. This is the AC adapter. The little clamp. Next thing is to pop this. Ooh. Change the filter. New filter. This nice. So let me turn off these lights. Let me turn off my soft boxes are currently turned off. So I'm going to switch over to my 50mm lens, and this is going to be my new lighting setup. Of course, I'll add the soft boxes, but I want to try to start the soft boxes. So this is what it looks like with just my ring lights. So right now I'm going to turn on my soft boxes. One, currently turn this on. So next I'm going to turn the other one on. This is the battery space. So it needs 2 batteries, and I did not get the battery. It is a rechargeable ring light, so you can just plug the batteries and you can enjoy your ring light without. This is a USB port where you can connect to your phone and charge your phone. This is the switch. Dim your light with this, and then you can change the color with this. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. Like this video, share to your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.